How to create custom title templates in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and go to the project menu, then click on Add Title Clip. A title editor window will open. Here you can design your custom title by adding text, shapes, and images. Use the toolbar to adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and background elements to match your video style. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on the drop-down next to the Create Title and from the list, select Save and Add to Project at the bottom of the title editor window. Give your template a name and click Save. Your custom title template will now appear in the list of available title templates. To use this template in the future project, simply go to Add Title Clip, click the template button, and select your saved title design. This helps you save time and maintain consistent branding or styling across multiple videos. Now you know how to create custom title templates in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.